Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my video, you're welcome to Sew with Kavisa. And if you are also a returning subscriber or a viewer, thanks for sticking with me. So in today's video, we'll be learning how to make this reversible bonnet for kids. You can use the inner and the outside of the bonnet. If it's something you're interested in, make sure you watch the video to the end, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment, and also share my video to your loved ones. So let's jump right into the video. We'll be using two fabric for this bonnet tutorial. We're using a blue and a green doll face material. Our material is folded into four, and then I'm going to place my measurement from the tip of the folded area, and I'm going to go with a 9.5 measurement, just round, as you can see with what I'm doing. Then I'm going to use my chalk to join the lines together. I'm sorry the line is not too visible, but you just place your tape hole at the tip of the folded area, and then you can just go in with 9.5 inches. That is what I'm using for my bonnet. So you pick up your scissors, and then you're just going to trim it around, just like when you're cutting your peplum flare. So once we are done with that, once we're done cutting, this is what we are going to have. We're going to have something like this. We're going to do the same thing, repeat the same process for the other fabric, which is the green doll face. So I'm going to place the one I cut from the blue fabric, I'll place it on the green one, and then I'm just going to trim that out. So once we're done with that, this is what we're going to have. We're going to have just a circle material like this, and the other one as well. So the next thing we're going to do is going to place both fabric on each other, right side facing the right side, just like so. And then we're going to take that, you arrange it carefully. You can also use your pin to secure the side so that it doesn't move. So you're going to take it to the sewing machine, and then you're going to sew round. But when you're sewing it round, you leave like 2 inches, like the where I like that. You can see that I'm using my finger to indicate where I am not going to sew. So you're going to sew it round, but you're going to leave that 2 inches space open. So we're taking that to the sewing machine now, and then I'm going to show you once I'm done with that. So after taking it to the sewing machine, we've done sewing it round, then I have turned it inside out. You can iron it just to make it. You can see where the 2 inches I left open is right there. So we're going to take it to the sewing machine. I'm going to sew it round, and I'm still going to leave that 2 inches open as well. I'm not going to sew that 2 inches. I will stop with the way I'm using my finger to indicate. That is where I'm going to stop my sewing. So I'm going to take it to the sewing machine. So after joining, this is what we have. You can see I took it to the sewing machine, and I just sew it round like so. You're just going to sew it. So I left those that 2 inches space open as well. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to sew another one round again. You can see it, but this time around I sew it round and I close it. That is the inner sewing. I closed it. I didn't leave any 2 inches open, so I closed that one up. I didn't leave any 2 inches open. So the first line is open, but the second line is not open. So we'll sew it round, not open. We are not going to leave any 2 inches open. So the next thing we're going to do, I took the measurement around the head of the child, and I got 20 inches. So I'm going to take my tape hole, and then for my elastic, I'm using this small elastic. You can use anyone that is tiny but not bigger than this. So I'm going to measure that 20 inches. That is the measurement I took from the measurement when I measure around the head. So that is what, for ease, I added 1 inch for sewing allowance. So we are going to pick up our pin, and then we're going to use it. I'm using a safety pin. I just put my tape hole, my elastic, and then I'm just going to insert it through the hole. Then I would bring it out through the opening that was open before. So that's where I take that to the sewing machine, and then I'm going to join the elastic. So once I'm done, this is all we'll have to do. So that open area, you're going to fold your fabric in like so, and then you take it to the sewing machine. and then you just sew it around like that. And once you do that, you will arrange your bonnet and you have your reversible bonnet. And this is what we have after joining everything. Very easy to make, no stress. It's something you can just make under 20 or 30 minutes, and then you can wear it inside and you can wear it outside as well. So it's like it's a reversible bonnet. You can wear it anyhow. You can make this for your children. You can do this as a business and sell also. So it's a very um easy tutorial, and this is what we have. And you can see my baby rocking her own. She's wearing the blue side. You can also turn it inside out and then she's really feeling herself, so you can turn it inside out. I mean, you can wear the green part as well. I will show you where she wore the green part. So this is the other part, the green part. You can see beautiful as well. So it depends on your mood and the color you want to rock. You can rock the blue side and you can also rock the green side. So thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, leave a comment and give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.